Hey guys, it's absolutely pouring out today, but I'm so excited because I have a new perfume sample from my favorite line, and they released a new fragrance, and it is from the line of Acqua, and it's the Eau de Parfum. Yeah, so I went into Shoppers Drug Mart, and the fantastic Laura again helped me out. And yeah, I was just so excited to be there to test some new perfumes, and this was one of the few that just stood out as being, you know, like suggested, marketed. It was just, yeah, it's doing really well in terms of, I think, marketing, because I've heard a lot about this one, or not heard a lot about, but I've seen a lot about it in the fragrance community, and I heard it's really good. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I did test it on a test paper, but I quickly got rid of it because I didn't want to ruin my first impressions for you guys. So I have smelt it, but I haven't really tested it, okay? So I'm gonna test it now. Have the little sprayer, little tiny 1 ml. And let's see how I like this thing, okay? Let's start with spraying it on my neck. Now let's go to the wrist. And we'll go one behind the neck. Okay, so this one, interestingly, opens up very soapy and very like almost a little bit harsh and green. So it kind of smells like your like a soap bar almost. Yeah, it's like if you go to like a hotel or something, they always have those nice elegant soaps that smell, you know, very earthy, very much. I don't want to mean like a shower gel, like I'm not talking about Old Spice. Old Spice is known for smelling aquatic and like the ocean. This smells like a harsh green soap in the opening. Okay? Now, again, I've smelt this fragrance. So I smelt it after it had dried down. Okay, so I'm gonna enter, like, I guess you could say this is my second impressions, whatever. But I haven't necessarily tested it like I have now, but when I smelt it, okay, past its dry down, what was interesting with this one is that it did no longer remain a soapy sort of fragrance. This one actually changes a lot, which is really, really interesting. But yeah, this in the opening does not smell anything like Acqua di Gio. It doesn't smell anything like any of its flankers. It smells soapy. That's what it is, guys. I'm probably gonna purchase this because I love it already. I love it. It's really, really nice. And then from there, you'll get my full view. But as I said, I think this fragrance changes. I might be wrong, but it definitely changes, okay? I don't think, I know. Thank you guys for watching. I really like this, and I'm probably gonna buy a bottle. So stay tuned for the full review. Thanks.